How to use Art plugin on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys how can you enable and use Art plugin on ChatGPT Plus. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your ChatGPT account. Now over here, you're gonna find this email address. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and beta. Open it. Now go to the option beta features. You will find this option of plugins. Enable it. And then head back, go to this option GPT-4 and check in for the option of plugins. After you do that, you will find this drop down over here. Just click on it. Now scroll all the way down. You will find the option of plugin store. Click on it. From this page, you have to search for the plugin Art. After it appears, you have to install it. And then again, click on this drop down. With that, you will be able to find Art plugin over here. Now you have to enable it. Check in for this option Art. Art plugin is an integrated tool that allows you to interact with map-related functionalities. This tool is particularly useful for visualizing geographical data, exploring locations, or simply getting a visual context for a place you are discussing. Now I'm gonna give a prompt to it. Here I have asked to generate a satellite map image of the Grand Canyon with a zoom level of 10. You can see that it has provided the exact response. Likewise, also it has given me the option to use Google Map to view the location that I have asked for. So I'm gonna click on this option. And with that, I'm able to get the detailed information. So this is how you can enable and use ChatGPT Plus plugin Art. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.